Above all else, Nike exists to serve athletes. We push the limits of innovation to help athletes perform at their highest level. The journey to create the Vapor Carbon cleat for the 2014 Super Bowl began in 1996 in a very unexpected way, with one of the world's greatest athletes, Michael Johnson.
When we took that shoe that we made for his 400 meters, we said, hey, let's take everything out of that shoe and only put in the things that Michael needs to win that race. What we got out of that was not only making an athlete faster, but actually propelling us forward into the future of football. Michael Johnson told us, hey, let's focus on the zero step. Let's get that ignition off of the line and make sure that the athlete's not slipping at all.
The zero step is where we've identified certain techniques that the best use to get out of the blocks.
The Vapor Laser Talon project was specifically around designing a cleat for the 40-yard dash for athletes to run their fastest.
The stance that you put them in starts to take effect before you've ever even moved off the starting line.
When our team focused in on the zero step, we found minor slipping that was occurring at every single step, and that was our big aha moment. How that translates into product is to improve the geometry of the cleat and the plate of the shoe, and that's where 3D printing comes in. Using traditional prototyping methods, it might have taken us years to translate these learnings onto an actual cleat for the field. But with 3D printing, it could just be a matter of hours.
For the first time ever, we were able to take the learnings from 3D printing and the 40-yard dash and the Vapor Laser Talon, and we were able to inject that directly into the Vapor Carbon.
The ultimate proof that we have succeeded in helping athletes become faster is Marquise Goodwin running the fastest time at the Combine.
You know, they see a guy run 4.2 and everybody wants to, wear his same shoes.
So how do you translate a cleat for the 40-yard dash, which is basically a dragster, into a performance racing machine built for game day? The Vapor Carbon V-plate allows an athlete to cut better, to create more precise movements. Silver represents the pace of innovation, winning championships, and ultimately the highest honor in football, the Vince Lombardi Trophy.